Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is iClone 8 3D animation software. Now you can see this is a banana tree. It is an iClone tree, the iTree. So, how to make it as a 3D model? I have a special trick just by using the screenshots. Because in iClone 8, there's no certain export function to export the iClone tree. But how to make this happen? Just by using the AI. I'm going to show you all this step by step by using the AI to just make it as a 3D model and make it become an FBX file. So let's go. Actually, you can just render as a picture or just use a screenshot or screen crop, make it as a picture, and then let the AI to convert the picture to become a 3D model. Just for example, now I'm going to try how to screen crop. Just press Windows Shift S, then select from the screen. It is going to save as a picture. I click save. It is going to save as a picture, as a PNG. Just click save. Alright. After that, for this time, it is on my desktop. The picture now, it is on my desktop that I already saved. And then I can just use the Meshy AI or any of the 3D AI, any of the image to 3D AI to convert it to become a 3D model. I already give a try just by using the Meshy AI. I upload it. This is image to 3D. Then finally it already make it as a 3D model. I can just download it. Download as FBX or OBJ, and later I can use it in any other 3D software. Of course, image to 3D, it is not perfect. It is not 100% perfect, but sometimes if you just want to use it as a background props, it still look realistic. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings on how to turn the iClone tree to become a 3D model. It is not directly export, but just convert your screen crop or your render picture to become a 3D model just by using this banana tree. This is just an example as I showed just now. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials or sharings, if you feel all these tutorials or sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!